Happy autumn. It is my favorite time of the year. I am so excited, and we have a lot of tea to catch up on. Tea with LeCe, baby. One of the topics that I wanted to talk to today was about Sephora. Here's Kona. It's my puppy. Sephora and their witch kit, right? I know everybody was commenting and so on in an uproar about that. I'm not surprised because I think that's just what's trending right now, because not only Primrose with this witch kit thing, but they also have a makeup line at Ulta, wizardry. I'll try and put up a link or like a pop-up thing so you can see a wizardry, like a lip line, like a lipstick lip line thing. And there have been like a lot of cosmic, aurora palettes and all that stuff, so I guess that is them capitalizing on what's trending. Is it right? No, but look who our president is. Is that right? I mean, it's just, it is welcome to America. Right. The other topic that I wanted to talk about was that Beyonce and her drummer accusing her of witchcraft. Now, we already know Beyonce and Jay-Z have a lot of symbolism in their stuff, so I don't know if that would be far-fetched to believe in that, but hey, you never know if the drummer wanted money or what that whole scenario was about. But that was trending too. What else? Yeah, it is Halloween time. It's autumn. It's my favorite. I can't stress to you enough. I can't wait to show you some new videos, some content of some hauls and some Halloween stuff that I saw at some stores. I'm going to be uploading that attached to this video. And what are your favorite things to do on this time, during this time of year in autumn? Is it pumpkin patch? Is it something that you do culturally? What is it? I would love to hear from you guys and let me know what are your favorite things to do around this time of year. Here we have some items that are very festive for Halloween and autumn, and you see a lot of pumpkins and flowers and fun stuff to decorate your home. You know, my favorites are the skulls. The sugar skulls are amazing. And the pumpkins, little witches. But there's not that much stuff. It's not like Christmas. It's like overdone. But still, we were able to find a few items. As you can see, it's not like the shelves are super stocked with stuff, but you can still find cute little figurines and stuff to decorate the house with. Enjoy! Thank you, my Magick Lotus tribe, for joining me today. Please do check me out, IG Live Wednesdays at 7 p.m. Blessed be.